How to lower the audio quality in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simply. Today, in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can lower the audio quality in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have your CapCut application updated. Now, open your CapCut application and here you will see, under the project section, all the projects that I have in my CapCut. Select any one of them. For example, I will select this video. Once you are on this page, now select your video. Here at the bottom of the screen, you can see different options. Keep scrolling on the toolbar until you see the two different options, Enhance Voice and Isolate Voice. You can choose any one of them, but for example, I will select the Isolate Voice option. Once you select that, here you will see again three different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on the second option, Keep Voice. Now, what this will do is it will remove all the excessive background noise in your video. Now, wait for some seconds until the effect is applied. Once it is done, you are good to go. In this way, you can lower the audio quality in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.